guys.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 2:15 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Peyton, or 18 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving east at 15 miles an hour.
Here we go. Severe thunderstorm warning. Let's
50
go.
miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail.
I don't get it. It's not a watch.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Calhoun, Peyton, and Ellicott. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for
What?
east central Colorado. For your protection, move to an
Wait, what? There's a
room
tornado
on the
watch?
lowest floor of a building.
Double header, please.
Significant
Dang
weather
it.
advisory for north central El.
Wait, hang on, guys. Hang on. It's like next to Callahan and Peyton. That storm over there. Alright, guys, bye.